This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, sound test. Step one. I hear it, but it's very quiet. Is there a reason? Let me check again. I hear it, but it's very quiet. Is there a reason? Let me check again. Perfect. Step two. 30-minute chart. Let's see what I missed overnight. Did we sweep both sides of the Asian session? No, we didn't. We just swept the lows. We're below the previous day's high. We're below VWAP, so got a mildly bearish bias, but who knows? Nothing really to influence what direction I trade in. Take a look at the daily. The daily since 7:30, since the end of July, that's 7:31 actually. Since July 31st, we've had an expansion of volatility. Easy to see. Let me open up a couple of my strategies here, especially the daily change and the wrinkle levels. There we go. So we are opening, just really on the, no, you know what? You see, that's the thing. The open, the close, previous day's close, it's not the same on the daily as it is on the 1-minute chart. The 1-minute chart shows Friday's close at 767. So we're opening 40 points below. That's a good amount for a gap fill. Let me open up the chat. Get that going. Let's beat him to the punch. Anybody new here, click the subscribe button and hit that like button. We're just starting out early in the morning. Probably no one's looking for trades yet. Give the like button a tickle. Hey, Ruan, Omnius. I beat you to the punch, Mr. Omnius. Guys, go hit the like button. Let's get it up to 15 right away. Okay, so gap fill on the that's probably my first hypo. Probably the first thing I'm going to be looking for. Hypothesis, thesis. Let's go with thesis. Futures floor 6, dealer draws high. Well, then I got to go again. We're going to win one. Start the day off good. 69. Oh, good number. Good number to beat. Oh. Wah. Try again. Best out of 5. If dealer wins again, oof, I better be careful today. 3. Good morning, Butters. 29. Hit the likes. Everybody hit the likes. Okay, so first thesis. I had to do best out of 5 to win 1. Oh, it's true. I should continue. It's actually 2-1 for the dealer. Oh, what am I saying? Yeah, first, my first thesis is a gap fill to get up to 23,767. Unfortunately for me, right now at the moment, top step is on the shorter term Renko charts. Top step is short and it's long on the higher time frame Renko charts. So we kind of got a little bit of inconfluency. Bitcoin came down, but Bitcoin is below the channels. So how high did it go? Wow, what a run last night. Opened up 1,000 $1,000 higher, I think, or more, 2,000 higher maybe, at 119, and just trade it. Well, let me show it to you over here. Actually, is yeah, that's up there. Let's go to the open. So here, you got to see the whole chart, right? Yes, you do. Opened at 119,200, and look how long it just stayed above the bands and ran and ran and ran. Holy Christ. And then we got below the bands, and now we just traded. It's like just one transition. That's what I was telling Mike yesterday. I'm not sure why he doesn't trade Bitcoin as the futures also, because it's just so consistent. I mean, no fake outs, no head fakes. Oh, we're above the bands. Go long. Brrr. Go short. Brrr. Just goes forever. My goodness. My goodness, what an amazing full moon pump. I forgot about it. You see, you didn't remind me. Shit. Okay, next one. I'll never remember. Run, you know how long it took for me and Omnius just to remember to take the 15-minute retest? I think we talked about it every day for a month and we always forget. Thesis. Again, thesis. Not a lot of time. 10 minutes. Gap fill. Go back to NQ. Let's take a look at gold. Wow. My God is dumping gold. Very good for him. Nice trade for Mike. Good job, Hancock, as they said in the movie. Hancock. Nice trade. Let's see what it looks like on the... I'm going to open up a chart big here. It's going to look really weird for you. But I just want to see... yeah, maybe I want to change gold to 100 instead of 55. Make it a little less sensitive. Right now I'm working on 55. I think 100 will be better. It'll catch the moves. No, 100 wasn't good enough. Like, that's the move I want to catch. Just don't want it too far away. I don't want 200 to be too non-responsive, because you do want to be able to get in on the move. Let's go back a little bit. Yeah, I think for what I'm looking for, 200 is good. We're going to keep it at 200. Okay, bring it back down. Let's get back to MNQ. Let's bring this one forward on Bitcoin. Skeletor. Good morning, Skeletor. What do we got? We got a B- trade. I just read it got just stopped out. Oof, it's not really working well, the scalping system all of a sudden. I don't know why not. But we're going to analyze it, watch it. We're only testing it on Sim 102. And we'll see where the holes are, and then we'll try and plug them. Guys, hit the like button. Clickety, clickety, clickety. Okay, let me open up Ninja on the other computer. I got to figure out what account I'm going to trade, but I do have to pass Take Profit Trader. I have 3 weeks left, and I have $370 to go. So that's $100 a week, which means traded conservatively. But anyways, no, I'm going to try and pass it this week. Make about $80 a day in it. Yeah, I'm thinking that this really should only be enabled, and it would be great if it was easier to enable, but it should only be enabled if it's the A+ setup. We've confirmed that it's working. Yeah, we've confirmed that it's working, but it should only be applied on the A+ setup. Okay. What do I got to do next? Wow, that was a fast charge. Dum, dum, dum. What? Okay, put this in for a sound test. Behind the ear. Power on. Battery low. Wonderful. That means I gotta use the other one. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that top step might trigger short. And if we trigger short, even though it's early, we're only testing that alert thing. I'm gonna enable the short alert, see if we can catch a winning trade. Okay, but it hasn't gone yet, so tell the guys to click the subscribe button and the like button. It helps me make better jokes. It's true, it helps me make better jokes. Okay, I'm refreshing my page. Oh shit, top step didn't go short yet. Not going to do any trade copying until the first 15 minutes. It's too hectic and the trade copiers don't work well, but I did test well simple. Oh, look at that, eh? How did that happen? 4? Oh, that's bad. Come on, guys. Who didn't click the like button? Butterstons? Ah, Lord. Really? You said 2. Really? No, that's not right. Hey, 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 hey. I think the same thing hit the like button. I'm just bugging you. I'm just bugging you. Okay, we still can't enable the alerts. Let me get set up. Let me put it on the 1 minute. Who do I want to trade? MFFU. Where is MFFU? Over there. They're about the same place with user. You know what? I'm going to do new. I still got a little bit of time. Strategy builder. Wonderful. That's going to eat into my time. Finally, thank you. I can close it. New copier. Okay, so we're going to make MFFU the leader. No, the other one, the leader, user. MNQ09 with MFU the copier on. That's it. 1. Positions ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. I love scalping the open. Oh shit, I could have set the alert. Anyways, it's just going to distract me, so I'm not going to set it. Let's use the top step numbers, right? Those are the best numbers. I still have 40 seconds. Coin flip is 40-40. The bands, 20-10. Maybe the bands. I'll go with the bands. Okay, we'll do 2 lots. Don't need to do bigger than that. Right now, I'm kind of thinking short. I got my finger on the sell market button. You know what? I'm going to take it already. I got my finger on the close button just in case, but it's very close to the stop. That's why I took it. Most likely we'll get stopped out. I don't mind. But maybe it'll just shoot right down. 4 seconds. Have to get out. See, that's what I said. Most likely we'll get stopped out. Let's try and get back in.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. I'm in a trade. Not changing any setups yet. Oh shit, VWAP's there. I didn't notice that. Okay, I got to get away from VWAP. That's why I added. So
order
that
canceled.
when it gets
Order
close to VWAP,
order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
I can get out.
There you go.
I'm at a few users. So I didn't make anything, but I made a mistake. So I'm just glad to have managed that properly.
Now you got the picture messed up again.
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean, picture? There you go. You're good. Okay, I'm going to watch. Going to take 4 lot if it goes short. Wow, it's really air pockety. Shoots down, shoots up, shoots down, shoots up.
Yeah, that'll work. Had to resize. How's your day going?
Sell market, I'll tell you in a minute. I just took a 4 lot. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, you can't just touch my take profit. Look at the motherfucker. Holy shit, can you get closer than that? It touched it, but it didn't film me. How does it pick? I swear we live in a simulation. No way.
You saying you was touched by the market?
I can't. Yeah, it was touched gently.
Order canceled.
2-minute opening range.
Order canceled.
In no real world could I pick the high or the low. I can't even pick from a number from 1 to 10. 10% of the time. Yeah, wrong. Forget picking a random number on the chart where it exactly stops. And man, the thing is, what drives me nuts is how often it happens.
What
Right
happened?
there.
Take your take profit?
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Well, I covered 2 manually, and then it took the other one, I think, properly, just triggered in. I'm going to go short over here if I can. Okay, so top step is still short. I'll get out if top step goes.
Order canceled.
Top step goes long, but I'm hoping we break
fumbling
lower.
around with everything, trying to remember how I set my stuff up.
Trying to remember how I trade.
It's like we go through the weekend and just like forget
Order
everything.
canceled.
Yeah. That's exactly how it is with me.
Like screw what trades I took last week. Like I don't even remember like how was I trading last week? Like what was I? Where was my charts at? Like they said to be a good trader, you have to have amnesia.
Mike, stop that. No DCAing. 2s, 4s, 6s. That's my size.
Get them, Butters.
DCAing is 10, 20, 30, 40.
Mike's in trouble. Mike's in trouble.
No, I'm still doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Was I really? I didn't notice. That was an accident. It's true. If I got into it, that was an accident.
What do they always say? Yeah, it was an accident. You got caught.
Yeah. Okay, let's get lower. I want to hear that. I want to hear the cha-ching. Break lower to 76.
Do you have a pivot point right below us?
You know what? I want to hear the cha-ching. I'm going to put it there. Where am I stopping out on this? 88.92.02. I'm way too high. Oh, be quiet, cat.
Order canceled.
Order canceled. Off. Okay, we're long. A lot of big wicks up there. Yeah, I don't think I have to fight for better price. I have to fight for better price. Let's go shoot back higher. You're just going to touch my entry. That's another thing that the simulation loves to do. Just touch your entry.
Order canceled.
Are you still blaming the simulation?
Yeah, I am. I'm in the wrong one.
Good job.
This isn't the one that I paid. This isn't the one that I paid for. I'm in the wrong simulation. How did I lose money on that?
Well, theoretically, you're in every one at the same time, right?
Yeah, but this NPC is only in this one. I'm not connected to the other NPCs. Okay, now I'm fighting for price. This is a good price to go long. This is the right price to be long. Even if I get stopped out, this is good.
Looks like we're trying to push up, but I was looking at the hourly chart and kind of making like a cup and handle pattern.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I do think we're going to try and push up and get up to 767, the previous day's close. Or the 5 o'clock close, let's just call it that. Okay, you're giving me another chance to get in under 95. I'll take it. I see 94, 93. That's the right price. I was chasing a little bit before. Slow it down.
Yeah, I flipped my scale. I got it all messed up. I'm like, which way is my chart supposed to go? I got it right now. So yeah, it's be an inverse cup and handle. It was on the hourly. That could take forever. Hourly might as well be the daily or the weekly for us.
Yeah. I put up the 30-minute chart. That's enough. Actually, I'm going to take a quick look at it again. Looks kind of bearish to me. Maybe a sweep of the London low, the U.S. session, or the entire session low at 668. That's a possibility too, eh? Can't rule that out.
I like the half hour, but I think to me, the hourly just kind of shows the picture better.
Yeah.
That's all what you're used to looking at.
Well, I used to have the 15-minute up. All I really wanted to see was what we did to the, relative to the Asian session, if we swept both sides of it. So the 15 moves good, but I didn't see far back enough, so I opened it up a little bit.
Got to fight for your right to party. Hell
Gotta
yeah.
fight for your right. I'm fighting. I still could get a short trade here on Top Step. Wow, I always forget their name. Let me mark in the line here, a vertical line. 8:30, 9:30. There it is, 9:30. There's been one trade. One trade worked. What's the range? 14 points. No, so no great volatility this morning.
Still hopeful for a short.
I'm going to try a long at 09 around if I can get in.
You say long or short?
Long. Well, I should be looking for a short, but I'm kind of trading more aggressively, so I'm taking both sides. I'll get into a long if I can get in with low risk. So I wanted to go around 09, somewhere around there, 09, 08. My stop will be about 6 points.
Good. The 5-minute moving average is flat again, so could be ranging. Do we got any news? Have you checked?
No, I wanted you to check.
You know I'm a delinquent.
Okay, I got in at 10. Not great, but...
I showed up early today. I was still late.
Yeah, it's funny how that works out. There's so many things to do in the morning to set up. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm like going through everything. I'm like, this is tedious. This is a lot of work.
Yeah. I sit down at my desk at 8:30. I say, okay, I'm going to be early today. By the time I click go live, it's like 9:21. I go, how did that happen?
That was me. How my morning went.
Yeah.
Like it just goes by so fast.
16:14:02. There we go.
I don't see any news for today, so no news Monday. Tomorrow we got CPI.
CPI, yeah.
So we could see a ranging day today.
I heard it
Waiting
was
for
pretty quiet.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, volatility already is coming down. We were at 14 points. Now it's 13.
My chart on the wrong chart. Could take a short here.
Marinating in a gold short. Hey, Mike was short from gold all the way from last night, eh? Like 7, not 7, what am I saying? 60. Hold on, I'll go look at the number. I just want to hear the cash register go
Order
ka-ching.
canceled.
Hey, where's my ka-ching? Order canceled.
Might take a short here just because I can get a really tight stop.
I know what I have to do.
Order
Close.
canceled.
So we did have a nice big inside candle on the 5-minute pushing above it. That's awfully bullish. I think they invalidated my short.
You've been invalidated. Let me see.
You've
Yep.
been invalidated.
Yep, I agree.
I didn't want to be invalidated. I wanted that short.
You should have thought of that before you became a trader, young man.
Right. Trying to think of that one movie where the fat guy says, "You've been violated." Oh. I can't think of the name of it. Hellspawn or something? Spawn, that's what it was.
Spawn.
The Violator.
That sounds like a movie with the actor that I like so much. What's his name? I think the guy from Ant-Man, maybe? I'm not sure. What's his name? Ryan Reynolds. He is good.
Need a meme of that guy. Not the Spawn guy, but the other guy.
The
Violator.
The Violator. I took a 2-lot right here on VWAP. My stop is at 37 minus 14. I'm long at 25, and my stop is at 23. I have a 2-point stop.
You had about 50 trades for the day already, ain't you?
Nope. 37, 14, 33, 23. Yep, 23. Wow, that's really close, eh? We'll put it at 22 and a quarter. Let's go. See, that's what I say. If you can frame a trade based on your system and your setups where your stop is really tight, doesn't affect your account performance if you stop out. And my TP here is at least 3-1 on this one. And I shouldn't even be TPing there. I should go for 37 plus 7. I should have been going for 44. Okay, now we wait. Got below VWAP, see what we do. I don't know, I think we're going to break back above it. I think we're heading for the gap fill.
Didn't you say that you have a big screen TV that you put the charts on?
Yep. Yeah. That's why I'm looking up at the sky all the time.
Is it?
Yeah.
You ever look at you put one chart all the way across it?
No. I got 4 charts on it, which is good. But the thing is, the main chart I use is on the top. I don't know why I do that. I should put it here. It's you know what? It's true. It's set up stupidly. Let me try again. And you know what? I'm going to come down here. Which account? User.
So I got the big screen TV over there I'm always looking at.
Okay.
Just nice to look over and see the big chart over there once in a while.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I like it. The thing is, it's still in a 1920 by 1080 resolution, so, it's not like I can put 16 charts on it, but...
It's too much to look at. I don't know how people keep up with all those charts. I used to have a bunch of charts everywhere, and I don't know. Too much anxiety.
Yeah, it's too hard to follow too many things. I mean, look, I'm just trying to follow Bitcoin, and I'm not even able to. It's going without me.
I think that's how people kind of sabotage themselves. Too many charts, too many screens, too many indicators.
I think it depends on what time you're trading also, though. If it's in the evening, you have time. But if it's the open, 9:30 to 9:45 to 9:10 to 10 o'clock, too difficult to follow, especially if you're trying to trade the NQ open and scalp it actively.
Yeah, but you look at some people, they have 5 screens or 10 screens, and you look at other people and they got 1. It's like, how's this guy trading on 1 screen and you're over here using 10?
Order canceled.
I'm not saying you, I'm saying other people,
Butter Stunts is going to get stopped on his gold. Gold's going higher. Yeah, I was saying Mike was talking about a short last night from in gold. I think in the 3460 area, was targeting the 3400. He got it.
Everybody's trading gold. One day I'll join the party. I just like keeping it simple. Just
Yeah.
trade the Nasdaq, do what it does. Win or lose. Switch over to something else. You got to, what's the stop loss got to be? What's the take profit got to be?
I agree. You got to figure out its personality. However, a little while ago, NQ on the daily, I mean, look at the volatility, just completely died. It disappeared. It wasn't tradable. That's what made me look at gold and Bitcoin. Okay,
Yeah.
Maybe we're going to get a top step setup. Uh, 37 bid has to hold. Ooh, that's right near the 15-minute range, eh? Not crazy about that.
Looks like it wants to be bullish, but then it's kind of hesitant. Damn it. I hate when I try to change my chart and it changes Ninja Trader instead. It's like there ain't even nothing there. Puts me in no man's land. I don't know, it's really, even the hourly chart's really just right in the middle. Could go either way.
Yep.
Sticking with my thesis of a range day.
Well, it'll still be a range, even if we go up to close the gap, to fill the gap. Fill the gap.
Yeah, I was going to ask, did you say glap?
I did say gap. Come on, push up.
Okay, fine. I'll ask. What's a glap?
I have no idea. I have to look it up. I'll have to GPT it and get back to you.
If I'm a GPT it and it says there's no definition, I'm going to tell it to make one.
Order canceled.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, I bootlegged one of your videos.
All right, that's okay.
You're not going to sue me, are you?
No.
Did you see it?
No, I didn't. It's a short or a video?
Short.
Okay. Yeah, go for it.
Want to see how it acts and
Order
if they say
canceled.
anything about it.
At least, well, did you change it up a little bit?
No, I bootlegged it from you and put it on there.
Okay. No, you should change it up a little bit. Maybe do a little voiceover or something. Get rid of the first few seconds.
Well, then it wouldn't be bootlegged, would it?
Yeah, but, you have an audience, so why not take advantage of it, man? I should just create videos and send them over to you.
I thought about trying to do like the short stream. Okay.
Yeah, I'm thinking to do that maybe once a week or something.
Maybe if you do the vertical and I do the short or something, maybe once a week or something. I don't know. Or switch it up.
I don't get it. The vertical is the short. What do you mean I do the vertical, you do the short?
Horizontal, vertical. I don't know.
Well, the short is vertical. The landscape horizontal is is the regular live.
You know what I'm saying.
But they don't get shown up in shorts. Like if we look at what you did on the weekend, right?
Yeah.
It's not under your shorts tab.
No, but it's
No.
under the shorts live. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Yeah, it kind of did seem like that. It was hard to tell, but it kind of did seem like that.
So on the short slide feed, you just keep scrolling like TikTok. Can't do that on the other one. So people are just scrolling through and they come across your live stream.
Yeah.
Order canceled.
That's about a 50% retracement.
I think I did get like...
Trump is talking in 5 minutes.
What? No way.
Well, Trump is always talking. I think he's just officially talking in 5 minutes. Okay, let's take out the low of that bullish candle.
Trump announces steps to tackle homelessness and crime in D.C. Oh, he's wanting to usurper D.C. Yeah, whatever. What's he gonna do to take it over? Gonna like send in the military on U.S. soil? That'd be crazy.
Oh, shit.
Got a buy signal, but
Yeah, I got a buy signal and I ended up short. Because I also got a short signal and I took the short. Well, you can't always be right. You can't always be right. Hopefully it'll come back down. Break below VWAP.
Order canceled.
No, takes me out. Okay, goodbye.
trying to push.
It is.
I just feel like I want to see some movement, some direction or something. Well, first day of school. I'm home all alone. Now what do I do?
Hey, I thought it was Tuesday. You celebrate. You order
Celebrate.
a pizza. You order a
Order
pizza. There we
canceled.
go.
Wouldn't have nobody to eat it with. Lonely.
You eat it with me in spirit. I'll live through you vicariously, as they say.
Why, you officially on the diet?
Yeah, I put myself on it. I said, forget the family. I'm going to do it on my own.
All right, so we're starting with a 3-day fast.
No, cottage cheese. Just the intermittent fasting, that's all.
Well, I already do that. Don't seem to help much.
Oh, well, no, of course. Calorie reduction, mostly protein, cutting carbs, that kind of thing. It's true. The whole 9 yards.
I don't know. I think a 3-day fast would be great. I don't know if I can do it.
Yeah. It takes about 3 days just to get used, just to your body to get used to the fact that you're fasting. If you know what I mean. Like at some point when you're fasting, you don't get hungry anymore. But that's about the second day, the third day.
Did get our retest of the open range high. I don't know. Only pushed 6 points. I'd like to have seen a little bit more of a push.
Yeah, that wasn't enough for me. I'm watching for that trade, but wasn't enough for me.
the ES 5-minute looks like it's ready to go. Push.
Boosh. I don't know what time. He said at 9:54, so at 10 o'clock Trump is talking. Okay, so let's wait a bit. I'm going to take this opportunity to fill up my coffee.
Keep in mind that Trump's normally about an hour late.
Oh, it's true, eh? He's always late. He's always crazy late. Let me go get a coffee. I mean, I have a coffee, but let me fill it up. Give my wife a good morning kiss because I heard her walking around. I'll be back in about 2 minutes.
Give her a kiss for us too, okay?
You got it. How many? How many from Omnius? One's enough, right? I'll be back.
Just kidding. Give her your own kisses. Have my wife coming after me. Who are you sending kisses to? Maybe when Trump talks, he'll give us some kind of direction. Did all this back and forth. I don't know. Looks like they got it set up for Trump. See how long it takes them. Release the Epstein files. He's not going to do it. Everybody on the chat for the videos talking about release the Epstein files. That's funny. I got some guy talking about, I don't know who the guy is.
Wow, it's a quiet morning. Two trades on two trades on Top Step so far. Whew. An active morning would be 12.
They got somebody talking about it. I don't know who the guy was. Talking about all the crime in D.C.
Oh, I'm pretty worried about it's going to get pretty bad over here where I'm living also. They're starting to make some, they're starting to make some crazy bad decisions.
Yeah.
And when you make it free for the criminals to do what they want to do, they don't take long to learn and start to go bananas.
I was saying a few minutes ago on the video where Trump's about to start, was the Associated Press.
Okay.
Some guys talking, and in the comment section, everybody's putting release the Epstein list, release the Epstein list.
Yeah.
I've done seen it like 100 times. Like, ain't nobody gonna release that list.
Really? You don't think so?
Most of those people are on it.
That's crazy.
You think they're gonna release a list that makes them look bad?
Yeah, my guess is he was just targeting and setting everybody up, aggressively inviting them over to be able to not blackmail them, but have something over their heads.
Talking about Epstein?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was crazy the amount of people that he worked with also.
Mm-hmm.
What they do is they blackmail all the politicians to keep them in line.
Yep, exactly. Many of them are married.
Well, married or not, many of the girls were underage.
Underage, yeah.
They do a lot of
37.
stuff like that with politicians.
Yeah. Well, I'm guessing anybody with power.
I'm saying it's not just the Epstein Island. It's I think I mentioned Bohemian Grove before, and you said you didn't know what that was.
No, never heard of it.
About the same thing.
Who was in charge of that one?
All of your leaders around the world.
Oh, yeah? No, that's who participated. Who was in charge of it? Who was the Epstein in that case?
I don't know.
37. I should be getting 44. Come on, give a run to 44. There we go. Let's go. Push, 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 push.
I think I got the wrong ATM.
I'll take it. For
Order
now, I'll
canceled.
take it. I got to be concerned about my take profit account. I'm not going to try for just an extra point or two and have it come against me like it's doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Not only that, if it comes back down, it didn't hit target, 44, and if it comes back down to 34, I can get back in again. Try again for another 7 points.
Fuck it. I'll just get out. I think I had the wrong ATM strategy.
Well, we're down to 11 point average range on the 1 minute candles. That's pretty sad. Oh, it's true, eh? Hey, if anybody's new, be appreciated if you guys can hit the like button and the subscribe. There we go. We hit 44. That was the 70% trade. And let me put up the link to Omnis's channel if you want to check him out. Go hit the like over there too. Where is it? There it is.
I got mine where I type it in the chat and it puts yours up. Got a delay though.
Having a good time. If you're having a good time, traders. There we go. Okay.
Well, it did do the push.
It did. It went past 44. Went all the way up to 52. That was the 50%.
I just didn't have faith in it because of how much sideways we are.
That was the 50% target. So that was trade number 3 officially in the books, even though I've taken so many more. While I wait for trade number 4, let me set up the alert. Omnius long. Okay, let's watch Omnius long trade on Sim 102.
It's not my long trade. I don't take it. I think we was just talking about different ways to set up automated trading.
Yeah, but it's year long.
Good thing about the alert is you can set up the ATM strategy. But like you said, I prefer the regular strategy is better.
Yeah, yeah.
Then you can't set up break evens and stuff like that. Or you can, but it's a lot harder.
Yeah, it's easier to work with Strategy Builder.
Yeah, but you can't do the break even.
Order canceled.
Can't do the auto trail.
Mm.
I mean, you can, but you got to put a lot of effort into it.
Anyways, I'm running it on Sim 102, and as long as Sim 102 is red, it's the Omnius long. Once it turns green, it's the futures floor long.
I was trying it the other day, but it needs something else to go with it, in my opinion. Because you're taking every loss.
Well, no, that's the thing. I have to sync it up with the top step chart.
But I had it at where do I got it at? Where'd I put it? This one? Alert. I had it at I think. Yeah, I had it at 16 ticks.
Okay.
You're talking about 2 ticks. So I think 16 was the wick has to break below the previous candle. Maybe that's not how you said it though. I don't know.
Well, it's running right now. You can see where I try to get in. Excuse me. Sim 102 is on the bottom. That's the alert, and I took it manually on top.
Yeah, but I'm looking, you got in above the open.
Above the open of the previous candle, but below the open of the current candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want that. I want the current candle just to turn black a little bit. Like there, black. That's where I want to enter. And the theory is that it shouldn't close black. It shouldn't close bearish. So it should go up. It should form another bullish candle. And maybe even a second or a third if you want to let it run.
I don't know what the we have 16 ticks, so it looks like 2.5 points. So that'd be what, 4, 8, 10 ticks?
Order canceled.
I don't know.
Thing is, see, with your way, I can't set the stop accurately. It should have closed exactly when the bearish candle formed.
Maybe I got it too much. Maybe I need to put it at 10.
Well, the tighter you make it, the smaller your stop.
Right.
Which is a great thing.
All right, let me look at this one. Better representation. Okay, so 2.5 points. So yeah, should be 10 ticks. And then that would give you a 2.5 point stop. Let me change it to 10 ticks.
Let's go one more. Let's go up to 54.
They had people talking, but then they quit. Now they're just all standing there. Everybody wants the list. They ain't letting go.
I saw that somewhere else also. I don't remember where it was. I don't know if it was a Benny Johnson video or what it was, but it was exactly like you're talking about. All they were saying is the list, and it had nothing to do about it.
Order canceled.
Yeah.
The video I'm talking about.
Well, I mean, it was Trump that pumped up the list.
It was. Wow. What was that? What time
His
should I
fault.
guess they're talking now?
What happened?
I don't know. We had a little bit of a
Oh, I must have missed it.
excited move there. This whole run was like in an instant.
No, I missed it. I don't know. I'm just kind of iffy about trading this.
Yeah, I'm not really doing good. I'm going back. I'm going backwards here.
I know that historically I get chopped up on movement like this. So if I seem kind of hesitant, I mean, that's probably why.
I haven't heard the cash register ring once today yet. Took a couple of profitable trades, but I got out early. Nothing's really like jumping out of the gate and running.
No. All right, I guess I'm gonna take a break. We're at market open, Webex open. Probably just gonna chop more. See a blue line. I don't even know what it is.
It's the blue line of death.
Still don't know what it is. Is it the high, the low? I got lines. I don't even know what they are. This
Order
blue
canceled.
prior high. So at yesterday's high.
I don't know. It could be.
Yeah, it was at the end of, I guess it was Friday at the end of the day. Okay. I mean, I guess it's the high, but it was the end of the day also.
Yep. The high is at the previous close. The day closed.
All right, we'll take a break.
Okay. Now push.
Be back in a minute.
There we go.
Order
Nice.
canceled.
Let's close
Order
everything.
canceled.
Good, good. What do you guys do in chat? Do you trade aggressively on pre-CPI day? Or you're trading cautiously? I'll try and manually enter in on the alert trade on the bottom screen. But I got to get a better price than the entry. There we go. That'll be a better price. Come on. One of them. God damn, none of them working out.
Order canceled.
Shit. Where are all the wicks that are supposed to continue? I guess not every day can be a follow-through continuation day, huh? $21. Let's take a little bit of a break. I haven't made any headway this morning. Let's try a Bitcoin short trade. For a 3-lot. Okay, come on, run for previous day's close. Get above there. $5. Let's see, 67.
Order canceled.
Well, the trade copier seems to be working today. That's the good news.
What was the good news?
The trade copier is not really screwing up too much today.
Sweet.
Not making my life too difficult.
I told you Trump shows up late every time. What's funny is they had people come out and talk like they were ready. Everybody just left and now it's all empty again. Like, haha, psych.
I don't know. Is anybody ever on time?
Not me.
No, I mean, like in the presidents when they had to make speeches. The only time I think they're on time is when they have a TV address.
I don't know. I've never seen a president speak so much. Maybe I just didn't pay attention.
And what I meant by a presidential address, not like now, it's also he's addressing the people on TV, but I meant like the State of the Union or something. That's scheduled for a certain time and it starts on time. This is just Trump speaking today.
I was talking about DC.
Yeah, he'll get to it when he gets to it.
But he's been talking about taking over DC. Oh.
What was that noise?
How are you going to take over DC?
Oh, why? What do you mean take over, DC? Clean it up. Fix it up.
That's not what he's saying. Not from what I understood. Talking about federal, what do you say? Federalizing DC. So I guess he wants to put it in the hands of the federal government or the president or whatever. I don't even know.
I don't know. Whatever these guys do, they just always need to keep in mind that whatever they do, the next party that takes over is going to do the same thing, eh?
There's another party?
There's another party.
Huh, I didn't know that.
I said I was just shaking my head when they went after Trump legally. I said, you just opened up Pandora's box. It's never going to stop now.
I think they're all the same party. I don't even think there is multiple parties.
Like I wouldn't go into.
At one point, the libertarians looked nice, but then they got taken over also. So can there even be another party? Whatever it is, they're just going to take it over.
I wouldn't go into politics anymore. You know you're going to get hunted by the FBI and the Department of Justice when the other party gets voted in, so.
Yeah, it's all for show.
It's all for show, but they got to hire lawyers, and that's expensive.
All for show. Start watching wrestling.
Yeah, we had this conversation. Wrestling's fake.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's all the illusion of choice.
Mm.
And all I want out of it's a good setup. And they won't give it to me.
No. I'm just trying to get a bullish wrinkle bar here on the bottom left chart. That's not a lot to ask for. There's going to be like 800 of them today, but I want one now.
I feel like both of us, like we're asking for really simple things, you know, just give me a nice setup. Let's take it.
I'm really focusing. I'm trying to manifest.
Manifest destiny.
Manifest that bullish bar. We're so close. There we are.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
This was my make or break trade. If I lost, I was stopping for the day. Actually, I think even if I win, I'm stopping for the day. There's nothing going on. We're down to 9 point. There we go. Cash registers ringing. We're done.
While it all looks great, we are still at the Globex Open.
Yeah.
And I'm not supposed to take trades at Globex Open.
You're not supposed to.
But I am looking back at my chart, and I did have, I guess, a few opportunities for today. I was just pussy and didn't take them, I guess. Whatever you call it.
Well, my most important account is the Take Profit Trader. And it made $80, so that's it. I closed my trade copier. I'm not going to trade it anymore. I think it's going to be a small day. I got to go shopping again later.
What you shopping for?
You know.
What's up?
Remember what I told you?
Cottage cheese?
Man, no. A suit.
That's not.
A suit.
Oh, yeah. I think I already did that.
Yeah, I did. I didn't come back with anything.
Yeah. Are you buying one or you just renting one?
I was looking to buy, but now we're going to rent.
Like, I don't know how often you wear a suit.
Not often.
I
Not
wear
often.
one about once and never.
Yeah, same thing over here. Same thing here. I can't believe how much, how much they charge for a rental? It's like more expensive than renting a house, a chalet, a cottage. It's more expensive than renting a cottage up north.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Makes no sense.
Well, you also got to think how much a decent suit costs, and then how often do people rent them?
Well, they're pretty busy.
And then when people do rent them, they have to take them to the cleaners and gotta be specially cleaned and everything. I imagine cleaning a suit's not cheap.
Mm.
So probably half of what you're paying is just going for the cleaning.
I wonder if someone brings
See
back.
if you can get a dirty one.
If someone brings back the suit and it's ripped, do you have to pay for the damages, or it's just factored in?
I think it probably depends on how old the suit is, how reasonable it is for there to be a rip.
Does the price include suit insurance?
I would think so. I mean, certain things you're going to have to expect.
Yeah, of course.
You can't rent a 10-year-old suit to somebody and be mad that it got a rip. I think probably more what happens is people spilling wine on the suit and
that too. Yeah. Food stains.
Now, I'd probably believe that they'd come after you on that one.
No, that's expected.
No. If you rent a car and you spill something that stains the seats or something, that's not expected. If you go stay in an Airbnb and you spill something all over the couch, that's not expected.
No, but if the seat smells because I farted on it. That's expected.
I think certain things are expected and certain things aren't. But I'm just guessing. I don't know anything about it. I've never in my life tried to rent a suit.
Yeah.
I don't think I've even tried a suit on since I was a little kid.
Since my mommy and daddy made me try one on.
Man, we're talking real little, like under 10.
Shit.
I mean, older than 10, I'd have been fighting back.
This one's not working out.
About the best I'll do is a black pair of pants and a black shirt.
Yeah.
I ain't got no dress shoes either, so if that won't work, I ain't going.
I got good news for you. They rent them.
I ain't renting shit. I'll wear my black pants and a black shirt. If that's not good enough, I ain't going. I actually missed a wedding about 6 months ago.
Okay.
People got mad at me. I was going to go. I had the invitation, everything. We planned to go. And then, like, the day before the wedding, people started talking about, oh, you got to be, what do they call it? Something attire.
Formal attire?
Yeah, formal. Must be formal attire. I was like, fuck it, I ain't going. And they all got mad at me. It's all right. I called my grandma, had her smooth it over for me.
There you go.
Always remember in life, grandma's got your back. She's like, my grandma was like, you could have went, and if anybody would have said something, they'd have had to fight me. I'm like, no, grandma, go have fun.
Well, you could have always said you were going, and then on the day of, say you have chest pains.
No, I told him exactly why I didn't go.
Yeah.
It's like y'all started telling everybody formal attire. Like I had a plan. Then the girls who wedding it was like, I'd just like to have you there. I'm like, yeah.
Hmm.
Two minutes till the briefing.
Yeah. So I should get out of my trade.
No, everybody standing up. Watch it take 10 more minutes.
Okay, out of that. Yeah, I got a little bit of crypto.
Where's the list? Where's the list? Where's the
Yeah,
list?
that's what they're going to be saying.
I thought about typing in live stream futures trading, but it goes so fast, wouldn't nobody see it anyways.
Mm.
I got 20,000 people.
Okay, so we wait. What's he going to speak for half an hour, an hour?
I have no idea.
Are my numbers showing up on the screen? No, they're not, eh?
I don't see any numbers.
Yeah. I thought they were. I have a theory that I do poorly when my numbers are showing. But by 10:30, I'm okay to show them. It's 10:30 now.
I hear
I'm
cameras.
very superstitious. It's funny, eh? When it comes to trading. I told you this already.
Superstitious.
Yeah. Flip, flip, flip. Like I'll use the same coffee cup. I'll wear the same socks. If I had a good day the day before.
You don't wear the same underwear all week, do you?
No.
Come on, you can be truthful.
If you do that, then you have to soak in a bath to get it off. Flipcoin. No, Flipcoin, the Skeletor is at 11:15. I forgot about it. But there is an alarm.
The man is at the podium.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
He looks good.
Looks like Trump.
He said, wow.
Oh, that's what he said. He come out and said, wow. Like, you okay, guy? I would play it, but I don't think I got a browser set up to play anymore.
Well, we just got a long trade. What do I do? Do I take it? How about I take it for a 3-lot?
What about this one? This one?
This one? What this one? What are you this oneing?
I was gonna try to play it, but I don't have a browser set up anymore, I guess.
Well,
Yeah,
the alert, I'm keeping it on, and it's getting absolutely.
Oh, he's sending in the National Guard. What the fuck? Yeah, he said he's federalizing DC and sending in the National Guard.
I don't know even what that means. What are they going to do, the National Guard?
Depends on how much of a fight DC puts up, I guess.
What do you mean, like people coming out of their house? Who's gonna put up a fight?
DC's not a state. It's like a territory or something. So you have whoever controls DC.
Really? You mean in the election nobody votes in DC?
I don't know. I know they're not a state. I don't know what DC is.
Mm.
Shit, let's Google it.
A district? Doesn't DC stand for District of Columbia?
Let's put this on. Let's put this up so people can hear it. Copy link.
How am I short at 43? I don't get it. Triggered at 44. I thought I even got in earlier.
Yeah, they want to work. Yeah, whatever.
Really? You're gonna whipsaw me? I think I'm gonna have to stop. It's an eval, but I'm being stubborn. $44, $47. Lower a little bit here. We got too much.
There we go. Put it like that.
Yeah, I figure it's not good news what he's doing. Yeah, I hear it. They're going to do things like you wouldn't believe. That sounds good. Right?
See how it goes.
It's going to be a great party like you wouldn't believe. Everything is like you wouldn't believe.
That reminds me, I was going to Google what DC was.
Well, district has to be a district. District of Columbia.
Mm-hmm.
But isn't it in another state? Like, isn't a district the same thing as a town or a city or a... which belongs inside a state? Or exists inside a state?
Washington, D.C. is not a state, but a federal district. So what's he mean when he says we're going to federalize it?
I don't know. Oh, I was saying what they're doing here. They're not chasing motorcycles or cars anymore. What's that noise going on in your...
What noise you hear?
I don't know, sounds like something's either rubbing or drum roll. Sounded like a little...
Oh, it might have been me putting the remote down.
Sliding something. Because it's dangerous. No more chasing motorcycles, no more chasing cars. So basically, if you do a crime and you drive fast,
Butterstones wants to know where he can go without being chased.
That's it. That's all they're showing in other news.
Did it go away? What happened?
Here, my city. So crime's gonna get bad now.
Well, they're supposed to do, if the chase is too dangerous, they're not supposed to do it.
Yeah, well, now there's no too dangerous. Now it's just no chase. I guess I gotta get out.
Too many people are dying in these wrecks chasing people.
One more shot. Yeah, but I know. But if you announce you're never chasing a car or motorcycle anymore, crime's going to explode.
I think it depends on the context of the chase.
Yeah, you think?
If somebody didn't use a blinker, you shouldn't be chasing them down the highway at 100 miles per hour.
No, I agree.
If somebody just murdered somebody, you know, a little bit more of a reason to chase. Oh, come on. They're letting people out, no bail for murder.
Are you saying you don't believe him, or you're saying that you're in disbelief?
I don't know that I believe it. Who murdered somebody and got let out, no bail?
Mm. Mm.
He said everybody's transgender. That was kind of funny. I'd probably agree with him on that one.
Mm.
I don't know anybody that wants men and women's sports.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, no, there's something going on in your, I think it's your audio. I'm going to mute you and let's see. Yep, I muted you. It's gone. It's a constant noise.
What are you hearing?
Something like that, you know?
I
It's
don't hear
gone.
anything.
It's gone now. I muted. I'll let you know if it comes back. I muted you. I brought you back on, and he's fixed.
I don't know.
Yeah. No, it doesn't matter.
All right, I guess I'll turn this guy off.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you want to keep listening to him.
I don't know. I mean,
All right, well, let's listen a little bit longer.
less talking for us.
I don't know. I think it's playing on your stream.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. It should be. No, I don't think it is.
No.
No, it's only coming in on your stream. Yeah, it's only coming in on your stream.
Mm-hmm.
The only audio that I'm picking up is my mic and what's coming through Discord.
Mm-hmm. He said, I'm very competent.
Come on, don't give me a 1. Well, that's it. This is the last swing at a bat. If it doesn't go for me.
And if I'd have known he was talking about all this, I'd have put it in the title. Missed that opportunity.
Mm. That's it. He's done. You laughing?
He's like, I'm going to see Putin.
Getting aggressive on an eval. I want a few more PAs. I tried to swing the bat a few times. Maybe it's not the environment to do it in, but I want to try on one more account. $44. Got to get in around 37. $36 we'll add. Hopefully it won't close the bar. Stop would be 30. We're so close. Come on. Almost got there. I mean, it might have gotten there, but it didn't hold. So on top step. Still alive by 3-4 points. Bounce off VWAP maybe, but we did close below the previous swing low and not above a previous swing high. So on the 1 minute, the momentum is down.
That is kind of terrible.
I don't know. I can't see what the military would be needed for. Who's gonna revolt? Politicians? They're gonna go out with brooms?
I don't know.
$44. Let's get up to 51. Is that too much to ask? Where's 51?
This price action sucks.
Yeah, it really does. And I'm picking the wrong direction every time. And it's getting frustrating. I go long, it only trades. The sellers seem to be the only people in the market. I go short, suddenly the buyers are the only people in the market. Okay, he's done talking. All the fear is gone. We should rally now.
I don't know who he said that guy was. All right, where we at? Turn that off. All right.
I was enjoying.
You turn it back on? I'll turn it back on.
No, it's fine. It's just what happens is you end up listening. What the hell was that?
What happened?
I don't know. My wife just screamed. But nobody's home except for her. Maybe she dropped something. What was I saying? I forgot. Oh, yeah. I end up listening, so I don't talk. No,
Yeah.
it's no good to have on.
I used to play the news before, and same thing would happen.
Yeah, it's so distracting. You just end up listening like you're watching TV.
It's actually the way I started streaming, because I wouldn't get on the camera.
So
I would
really?
I would just play the news in the church for a while.
You still have those streams on posted, or you took them down?
Should be posted.
I think I watched your first stream ever. Your oldest one. I think you were on.
No, I wasn't the oldest then. Now I played I did a few streams with actually for a while, because I didn't even have a camera.
Okay.
I didn't have a mic set up, didn't have camera.
Wow.
I set up a profile and didn't even use it for like 5 or 6 months.
Okay.
I didn't have a camera, didn't have anything else, didn't have the computer. I tried from my laptop for a little bit, but it was kind of iffy.
Wow, since I went long, we haven't even broken the high of a previous candle in the 1 minute chart for like 10 minutes.
And I think my wife was trying to call my bluff. I was like, I'll do it. I don't care. She's
Oh,
like, no,
yeah?
you won't. And I think she was trying to call my bluff, so she went out and bought a computer. She's like, there you go, you got a computer. I was like, all right.
Yeah, that's
Let's do
cool.
it.
No, they weren't encouraging over here at my house. They didn't want me to do it. They all had YouTube
told you,
shyness.
I think she was trying to call my bluff.
Mm.
Oh, the kids love it. I told you I only started doing this for the kids.
Yeah.
The one kid, he wants to be a YouTuber. I said, fine, I'll try it and see if I can learn it and teach you.
Mm.
I don't know. It's scary kind of letting your kids do YouTube, though. You know, they all have YouTubes now.
Yeah.
I see some of them, man. I just cringe. I'm serious. When we went on vacation, one of the girls has a YouTube and a TikTok and all that stuff. Talking about all these followers and subs.
Okay.
And her grandma's like, "Oh yeah, she's been on YouTube and stuff for a long time." Like a long time. The girl ain't but 12.
Well, as long as there's parent supervision for the content and then for what she's doing and, you know, depending on what she's streaming about.
I'm not saying the girl's got bad intentions. What I'm saying is people watching the girls got bad intentions.
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to show it, but I think it's getting hung up by a VWAP. I don't know. I guess if you think about it, if I would let my son have a YouTube, but I wouldn't let my daughter, then that would be kind of, what would you call it?
Hypocritical, sexist.
Yeah, all those things, I guess.
Yeah, your son's older though, no?
Well, I mean, you would compare the two at the same age, right?
Mm.
Like I'm saying this girl's 12 and she's got this. But then my son's 10 and he's talking about starting one. So now his cousin has one, his other cousin has one. Are you still hearing that noise?
I just heard it right there.
Is it like a static sound?
Sort of. It sounded like you dropped a rubber ball and, you know, your mic kind of picked it up because it was a sound in the distance. At least right there. It was like boom, 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 boom.
Is it my hand like that?
I don't know. I'll tell you.
Because I do hear more like static in my ear. I don't know if it's one of the cables.
Now I just heard something.
Yeah, it was me messing with the cable.
Seriously, you couldn't take off in the opposite direction? I mean, it's a 50-50 game. Come on. It's just absolutely insane how when I do this, I'm always wrong. A 50-50 game becomes a 95-5 game.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. That's it. Another one gone. Well, how many do I have left? I have one that's passed and one that's... I got one more. Well, and they're renewing soon, so I might as well go for it.
Might as well. Fuck it. I want to take a short, but we're at the 5-minute moving average.
Mm.
That's what I hate about these range days. What is our range? 86 points. I did change my my mic preamp. So I don't know, maybe it's picking up more.
Mm.
I don't know. Try it out.
There, what are you touching right now?
Did you hear static?
No, I'm hearing, mic noises.
I don't know. I'm not touching anything.
You're not moving.
No.
You're not tapping your fingers.
No.
Sliding the remote. Nothing.
No. Nothing.
Wow, interesting. So the best thing I can tell you is listen to my stream, and you'll see what it is. Wow, the sim is just getting crushed.
Might be picking up the AC.
That could be something, yep. Or a fan blowing, yep.
Yeah, I gotta see it on my program. I see the thing moving. It's not supposed to.
Mm. Yeah. When I talk to my wife on the cell phone when she's driving and she has her phone near the vent, yeah, that's it. I really think that's what it is.
Yeah, I can see it. Keep doing it. But why is it doing it now?
Yeah, never did it before.
I think it's that preamp. It's picking it up.
Mm. Okay, Al. Nope, not that one either.
Turn up my noise gate. Try it out. Well, that trade ain't working either.
Nope, nothing's working for me. It's crazy. Like I said, whenever I get aggressive like this, it just somehow never works for me. I don't know how it's possible.
It's just these range days. Because anytime you have a range day, you get the VWAPs flat, so you keep bouncing around it. The moving average flat, keep bouncing around it.
No, but I don't do it only on the range days. I do it whenever I do it. It's like nothing works. You get in on the signal, and it's like everyone I pick is a losing trade.
Mm-hmm.
But if I trade regular size, I have a standard distribution. But God forbid I get bigger.
80 micros.
Yeah, I want to pass the account.
You do you, buddy. Trump's talking again.
Well,
Mike's done. You long or
16.
short?
Oh.
You gonna trade?
Yeah, I agree also.
0 already done. Sweet.
This one's gonna go above VWAP. So when I went long, I should have went short. When I went short, should have went long. When I went short, should have went long.
It's just one of those days. Yeah, I would blame it on Trump. It's Trump's fault.
The thing is, it's always like this, and I don't get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand how it's possible. I mean, it should be 50-50. It's more like 10-90. And the coin flip. I just do the coin flip from now on. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it with the coin flip.
Coin flip beats 80% of traders. Keep telling y'all. Well, I think it don't want to go lower, so it wants to go higher. Bouncing off the 5-minute moving average.
That's it. That one's done too. Okay, my day's done. It was a crappy day. It wasn't even fun. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. $11.15. Okay, we close down, get a Bulenox, and we do the coin flip. Oh, my throat's bothering me today. Hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
The strategy alert got into a trade. Again. Oh, it's true. I got to close the alert. Long. Close, short. Okay, connect. I always forget. I hate that. Okay.
This guy says that Trump enacted a presidential privilege to seize control of D.C.
Okay, coin flip. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Do it. Heads.
Okay, we're long. It's already halfway there.
Out of bullish delta. You want me to put the brakes on? I'll jump in, put the brakes on.
No. Not until we get triggered.
What I tell you? If you touch a monument in D.C., automatic 10 years in prison.
Hmm. But Daddy, I just touched it.
I know, right? Like that's like are we really talking about just touching it? You know they got that in Florida.
Mm.
They did that in Florida years ago.
Well, good. They were good. They were getting crazy tearing down the monuments.
Yeah, just tearing down all those stuff. I was trying to take down one in my town. And governor signed that order, put it into it. I think ours is about the same. 10 years. Mandatory. Defacing a statue.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a better word, defacing.
Yeah, I think touch is a bit strong.
Well, I tried to get in on another account at 38, but didn't work. Didn't go low enough. Went to 39 only. The coin flip is long. It's 43.75.
Selling this coin on eBay. I don't know how much yet, but coin flip beats 80% of traders. Let's start the bids.
Hey, Bulenox did the same thing for me this weekend. They rebuild, but they didn't reset.
Did they?
Yeah.
What's going on with that?
I'll have to.
Was the account blown or not yet?
Yeah.
So it was all the way blown.
Yep.
Didn't reset.
No.
That's kind of iffy. I don't know what's going on with that.
Well, I guess it buys them time, takes away a few days from you. By the time you contact support and they get back to you and then they fix the situation, you lost 2 days.
Yeah. I would say if you message them, ask them if like a rule changed or something. Because they didn't tell me anything. They're just like, oh, we reset it.
Yeah.
Like no explanation, no nothing.
Well, the fact that it happened to you and now it's happening to me is kind of iffy.
Yeah.
It's questionable.
Trump told this guy, he just appointed some guy over DC. And he's like, if you're soft, I'm going to fire you in like 2 weeks. That's a hell of a thing to tell the guy just hired to take over a city.
I didn't know there was bad things happening in DC. Never heard. I know California with the homeless and the drug problem is pretty bad. At least what they say.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting bad everywhere. But they all complain about homelessness, but then the price of a home so high, who could buy one right now? Feel sorry for anybody trying to buy a home right now.
Yeah. They were saying that what's going to happen is multiple families are going to buy one home and share it.
Gonna have to. I mean, theoretically, like most people can't afford a home. If you go by what the bank tells you should be making to buy the home.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm already tired of trading this day.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll just do one coin flip and call it a day. I'll get on my way. Okay,
Mother
that's it.
beaches.
Out.
All right. Gave it my tries.
We lost. Coin flip lost.
Yeah, it's Trump's fault.
Mm. That's it. Blame the man with the orange hair.
The first time he was president, it's like every time somebody like said they didn't like him or something, I'd be like, why you don't like him? Like the number one answer was, look at his hair.
Yeah. Orange
okay,
man.
You're choosing your president based on his hair?
They were calling him Orange Man.
Yeah. I think that was before the orange man. Back then it was the hair. It's like, look at his hair. Like his hair? This is how you choose your president? By what kind of hair they got?
It is odd how people choose, eh? What the guy looks like, what the person looks like, what sex they are.
I got a nephew, and he was bad with the Trump derangement syndrome.
Yeah.
Couldn't even talk to him.
Okay, that's it for me. That's it for me. Two losers there. Nothing's working. Are you trying for a record today? No, not even close. One of those is the coin flip. Oh, it's true. I gotta update the numbers. Yeah, I better quit today because nothing's working. Come back tomorrow. And it was not a good day of discipline today. Okay, August 8th. That's not right. What day is it today? August 11.
Mm-hmm.
Day 11 results. What's the balance? 55.97. And that was a loser. We changed 5 to a 6. Okay. And we update. And close. Okay. I think I'm going to call it a day for today. I'll go send my ticket to Bulenox and get on my way with my shopping.
Good luck on the suit.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And the alert did very bad. So I'm gonna continue running it, and then I'm curious to see if we can invert it. If it goes bad all week, by next week I'll reverse it. Never usually works, but
no,
we'll give it a try anyways. Okay, guys, thanks for.
I think you would improve it if you did above the bands, buys above the bands, sells below. Change the tick offset to what I say 12.
No, I'm not gonna defend the alert the way it is right now, because I didn't run it only when it should be run. I ran it all the time just to see that it was working.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm saying. You know, if you run it all the time, look how poorly it does. So I'm saying, okay, let me run it all the time and see if it'll do good if I reverse it. But anyways, we'll see. We'll do work with it, play with it. Mm-hmm. I'm always curious. I always like to look. Okay, guys, I'm yawning already. Maybe I'll stream tonight. I don't know. It depends on how much the shopping knocks me out. And for sure, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. Have a good day, Butter Stunts.
Appreciate everyone hanging out. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the like button. Really does make a difference. And see everybody tomorrow morning.
Take care.
Take care, guys. Later.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run to your live, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.